That is example 13. O is any point inside a rectangle, ABCD, prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. Prove that OB square plus OD square is nothing but OA square plus OC square. First, I will draw a figure. This is a given rectangle named as A, B, C, D. I will draw a parallel line. This is the midpoint. This is also midpoint with a. This is labeled as PQ. O is any point inside on a triangle. This is the given point labeled as O. First, I will draw a solution. Given that, okay, given what is given in this one? O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. That is the given. O is any point inside a rectangle ABC. If need observe చేస్తానన్నా ఈ ABCD అనే rectangle లో O is inside of the point. After I will write a article required to prove. What is the required to prove means OB square plus OD square is nothing but OA square plus OC square. After I will write the construction. What is the construction means? I will write through O. O ద్వారా ఒక లైన్ గీసాను. గీసిన లైన్ పేరు ఏంటంటే through O draw PQ. O నుంచి ఒక లైన్ PQ అనేది గీస్తే that is PQ is parallel to BC. O నుంచి ఒక parallel line PQ గీస్తే ఆ PQ అనేది BC కి ఎలా ఉంటుంది కదా parallel గా ఉంది. Okay, show that P lies on P is lies on AB. And Q is lies on BC. P అనేది AB పైన Q అనేది DC పైన ఉన్నాయి. After that now I am going to their proof. Here required to prove is PQ is parallel to BC. Here given PQ is parallel to BC. This is given. PQ is parallel to BC. After that PQ is perpendicular to AB by construction. PQ is perpendicular to BC, and one thing we will observe in this one. PQ is perpendicular to DC. PQ is perpendicular to DC. We will observe in this figure where given PQ is perpendicular to AB. After that, here also given PQ is perpendicular to DC. Given perpendicular to DC, that I will write angle B is must be. Then that implies angle B is equal to 90 degrees as well as angle C also 90 degrees. Angle C also 90 degrees. Why? Because of PQ is perpendicular to AB means angle B consists of 90 degrees as well as PQ is perpendicular to DC means angle C also will consist of 90 degrees. So angle BPQ is also 90 degrees. Angle BPQ. This is B. This is P. This is Q. When it is a right angle triangle, angle B is must consist of 90 degrees. After one thing we will observe in this one and angle OQD. Angle OQD. Angle OQD or CDQ. This is C angle CDP will take this is C, this is D, this is P will take CDP also 90 degrees will take. This is will observe CQP is also 90 degrees will take BPQ and also this is BPQ. Angle P is 90 degrees as well as CQP and angle CQP. CQP is also 90 degrees. Angle BPQ is also 90 degrees. Angle CQP is also 90 degrees. That means BPQC and we will observe in this BPQC. This is a rectangle. After we will take APQD. This is also a rectangle. And APQD triangle. BPQC and APQD are both rectangles. Both rectangles BPQC and APQD are both rectangles. First I will take in triangle. First I will write triangle OPB. In triangle OPB is the device. Triangle OPB is a right angle triangle. We have to write the hypotenuse. That is nothing but OB square is equal to OB square plus PB square. Will write. This is my equation number 1. After that, in triangle OQD, I will write in triangle OQD. Will write in triangle OQD, where OD is the hypotenuse. That I will write OD square is nothing but OQ square plus QD square. Will write. This is my equation number 2. After we take in triangle OQC, in triangle OC is the hypotenuse. That I will write OC square is nothing but OQ square plus QC square. Will write. This is my equation number 3. Finally, I will take triangle OPA. In triangle OPA will take in triangle the hypotenuse that I will write OA square is equal to AP square plus PO square, or also we have to write OP square plus PA square. Will write this is my equation number 4. This is my equation number 4. We'll observe 1 plus 2, then that implies 1 plus 2, then that implies where 1 will become this one, 2 will become this one. Adding both LHS that I will write OB square plus OD square is nothing but OP square plus PB square, as well as OP square plus PB square. Second one is OQ square plus QD square will write. We will observe in this one, this we have to write OB square plus OD square is nothing but, we will observe in this two triangles PB is equal to QC, that I will write where PB is equal to QC. After we will write QD is equal to PA, we will write QD equal to PA, that I will write PB is equal to QC, as well as QD is equal to PA, right? QD is equal to PA, right? That means BB is equal to CQ, as well as DQ is equal to AP, right? I have to replace in this one. PB we have replaced with QC. After that, QD can replace with PA. That I will write OP square plus PB is nothing but QC or CQ will write CQ square. After that, OQ square plus QD is nothing but PA, and I will write AB square. OP square plus CQ square. OP square plus CQ square. OQ square. Okay, we have to change. I will write this one. OB square plus OD square is nothing but, first we have to write this one. We will write this one. Here we have to write OP square plus, after we will write AB is nothing but PA square plus, again we have to write OQ square plus CQ is nothing but QC square, will write from 3 OP square plus, so I'm sorry, from 4 will take OP square plus PA square is nothing but OA square, will write OB square plus OD square is nothing but OA square. After we will observe from 3 here OQ square plus QC square is nothing but OC square, will write. This is the proof of given theorem, hence proved. Now I am going to next to do this. After now I am explaining next to do this. In triangle ACB, angle C is equal to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB. So that BC square by AC square is nothing but BD by AD. BD by AD. Given figure also given. What is the given figure? The base AB is given. This is nothing but A. This is B. This is nothing but a C. Angle D. Angle C also will take 90 degrees. First, given that in triangle ACB, this is triangle ACB, angle B is consist of angle C is consist of 90 degrees is given. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB. CD is perpendicular to AB. But I have to prove BC square by AC square is nothing but BD by AD. First I will take in triangle ACD and in triangle ACD and triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. You'll observe in triangle ACD, angle C consists of 90 degrees, and also we will take triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, angle B does not take triangle ABC. We will take in triangle ACD and the triangle ABC will take both have angle A is equal to angle A. These are common angle. We'll observe this one. Triangle ACD and the triangle ABC both have A is a common angle. After we have to take triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. Triangle ACD, angle C must consist of 90 degrees. After that, triangle ACB. Triangle ACB. Triangle ACB. Triangle ACD. Triangle ADC will take. Triangle ADC. Triangle ADC, angle D consists of 90 degrees. After we take triangle ACB, angle C also consists of 90 degrees. Angle C also consists of 90 degrees. From AA similarity by AA similarity, we have by AA similarity we have triangle ADC. Triangle ADC is similar to triangle ABC, right? Okay, ఒక కామన్ యాంగిల్ ఉంది, బోత్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయినాయి. ఏవైనా ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ లోని రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఇంకొక ట్రయాంగిల్ లోని రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయితే ఆ సిమిలారిటీని ఏమని కాల్ చేస్తామంటే మనం ఏ సిమిలారిటీ అని కాల్ చేస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ triangle ADC is similar to triangle ABC, right? Triangle ADC is similar to triangle ABC. This is main equation number one. Again, we will take triangle BDC also 90 degrees. That I will write. Triangle BDC also similar to triangle ABC. This is main equation number two. We will observe from one. Triangle ADC is similar to triangle ABC, as well as triangle BDC is also similar to triangle ABC. From 1 and 2, both RHS values are same, then both LHS values are also similar. That I will write. Triangle ADC is similar to triangle BDC. We will write. First, I will make in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, we will write AC by. After we will take in triangle BDC, and the given hypotenuse is BC. AC by BC is nothing but I have to take their bases. I will write AD by, and the given base is BD. Will write. Okay, there I have to take the reciprocal of given one. That I will take BC by AC is nothing but BD by AD. Will write. This is reciprocal of given fraction. Reciprocal of given fraction. We will take the square of this one. That I will write. BC square by AC square is nothing but BD by AD. BD by AD. This is the proof of given theorem. This is the proof of given theorem. So you will write in this one. Okay, Rana. After now, I am going to next one. That is, into this second problem, I will explain. After now, I will explain in second to do this one. That is a ladder 15 meters long. 15 meters long reaches a window. Reaches a window which is 9 meters above. Which is 9 meters above the ground. On one side of a street. On one side of a street, keeping its foot at the same point. The ladder is turned to other side of the street. Other side of the street to reach a window. 12 meters high. 12 meters height. Find the width of window. Find the width of the street. అవునా మీరు ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే ఒక వీధికి ఒక ఇల్లుకు రెండు సైడ్లు రోడ్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా ఒక ఇల్లుకు రెండు సైడ్లు రోడ్లు ఉంటే ఒక సైడ్ ఒక కిటికీ ఉంది ఇంకొక సైడ్ కూడా ఒక కిటికీ ఇచ్చాడు అయితే ఇంటికి రెండు వైపులా కిటికీలు ఇచ్చాడు అండ్ ఆల్సో will observe a ladder is 15 meters long reaches a window which is 9 meters above the ground. గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి ఈ యొక్క విండో అనేది 9 మీటర్స్ హైట్ ఉంటే ఈ విండోకి మనం ల్యాడర్ నిచ్చెనేయడానికి మొత్తం ఎన్ని మీటర్స్ పడింది అంటున్నా ఇక్కడ 15 మీటర్స్ పడింది అంటున్నాడు. Again we will observe one more statement also given, keeping its foot at the same point, the ladder is turned other side of the street. Other side of the street also we will draw a ladder and the given reach is 12 meters height. This is the 12 meters height. 12 meters height. Same point means here also the ladder will take 15 centimeters. 15 meters will given. 15 meters will given. Okay, we will take the name of given one. This is A, B, C. This is D. This is E. Finally, we have to find out in this problem. Find the width of a street. Find the width of a street means we have to find out BC plus CE will find. Find the width of a street means we find BC plus CE will find. This is the rough figure. I will explain this problem. This is most important for 2 marks. Once again, I will explain in this one. A ladder is 15 meters long, reaches a window which is 9 meters above. This is the given street path. Okay, ground nunchi 9 meters above lo window undanda. This is the given window will take. ఈ విండో దగ్గరికి నిచ్చెనేయడానికి ఇది ఎన్ని మీటర్స్ ఉందంటే 15 మీటర్స్ ఉంది అంటున్నాను. గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి ఇది 9 మీటర్స్ హైట్ ఉందంట. ఇదే నిచ్చెన వీధి యొక్క ఇంకొక చివరికి వేస్తే అక్కడ ఎంత హైట్ ఉందంటే విండో 12 మీటర్స్ హైట్ ఉంది అంటున్నాడు. 12 meters height. Ladder height is same, that is only 15 meters will take. That is 15 meters will take. This is also 15 meters will take. Name of given one is A, B, C, D and E. Finally, we have to find out the width of a street. Width of a street will find out. First I will take length of ladder. Length of ladder. Length of ladder AC and also AE both are equal. AC or AE is equal to 15 meters is given. 15 meters is given. After let C and E, let in the given figure C and E be the windows of height. C and E be the windows of height 9 meters and 12 meters. 9 meters and 12 meters respectively. 9 meters and 12 meters respectively. Okay, by the figure I will take this problem means and I will take 12 meters and 9 meters respectively. Okay, width of the street. Width of the street. Width of the street that must be a BD. BD we have to find out. BD is equal to question mark. BD is equal to question mark. First we will observe in triangle ABC. First we will observe in triangle ABC. We will observe in triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. First we will take the hypotenuse where the given hypotenuse is AC. AC whole square is nothing but AB square plus BC square will write. Where AC is nothing but 15, but I will write 15 whole square is nothing but AB square plus 12 whole square will write. 15 square is 225 minus 12 square is 144 is nothing but AB square. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1. Again, 14 minus 14. 22 minus 14 is nothing but 8. AB square is nothing but 81. AB square is equal to 9 square will take. Square and square will be cancelled. AB is equal to 9 meters. AB is nothing but 9 meters. We will find in this one. After we will take in triangle ADE in triangle ADE will take. In triangle ADE, where the given hypotenuse is must be take AE, that I will write AE square is nothing but ED square plus DA square will write AE is 15 square is equal to 9 square plus DA square will write DA square is nothing but 15 square is 25 minus 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. Okay, 225 minus 81 is nothing but 122. 144 will take. 144 is the square of 1 square means that I will write 12 whole square. Then square and square will be cancelled. Where DA is nothing but 12 meters. The distance between DA is 12 meters. By the problem, what I have to find out in this one means the width of the street, the width of the street, the width of the street. Where the given width of the street, that we have to take BD. BD we have to write in this one BA plus again AD will write BA is nothing but AB plus DA will write that is nothing but 9 meters plus 12 meters is equal to 21 meters. This is the width of a street BD is nothing but 21 meters. This is asking the given problem. This is most important for 2 marks in SSC point of view. Now after now I am going to the next one. Now I am going to third one. In the given figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that AB square plus CD square is nothing but BD square plus AC square is right. Given figure is this is the given figure. Name it as B. This is A. This is C. This is the foot of perpendicular. Must be D. What is given in this one? In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC is given. Where AD is perpendicular to BC means angle D is consist of 90 degrees. Angle D is consist of 90 degrees. Given figure can be divided into two parts, that is triangle A D ADB. In this triangle ADB, where AD is the base, DB is the height, AB is the hypotenuse, will write by the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, what I have to write in this one means where hypotenuse is AB, that I will write AB square is nothing but AD square plus DB square will write. AB square is nothing but AD square plus DB square will write. Where here AD is nothing but, and that implies AD square is nothing but AB square minus DB square will write. This is my equation number 1 will take AD square is nothing but. After we will observe in this one in triangle. After we will take the another triangle as ADC. In this AC, AC is the hypotenuse in triangle ADC. What is their hypotenuse means that I will write AC square is nothing but AD square plus DC square will write. Okay, here also AD square is nothing but AC square minus DC square will write. This is my equation number 2. From 1 and 2 are also have to write in this one. 1 is equal to 2, then that implies here both the LHS values are equal in this 1 and 2, then both RHS values are also equal, that I will write AB square minus DB square, that I have to write BD square is equal to AC square minus DC square, that must be written as CD square will write. Minus value becomes this side, that I will write AB square plus CD square is nothing but minus value becomes this side, that I will write BD square plus AC square. This is the proof of given theorem. That is asking in this given problem. Now, after now, I am going to example 14. This is the most important problem. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. First, I will draw a right angle triangle. This is named as right angle triangle. Named as ABC. This is the hypotenuse. This is the height. This is the given base. But the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meters more than twice of the shortest side. In this triangle, this is the shortest side. Shortest side that I will take as x. First, I will take in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle. Let the shortest side. Let the shortest side BC is equal to x meters and x. And also hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is AC. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meters more than twice the shortest side. Shortest side is x. Twice the shortest side means 2x will take. More than 6 means plus 6 will take. Here BC we know, AC we know, then another side AB. Okay, another side AB is equal to, here AC is also nothing but 2x plus 6. If the third side is 2 meters less than the hypotenuse, then the third side అనేది 2 meters less than 2x plus 6 minus 2 is nothing but 2x plus 4. This is the value of AB. We know that all the sides of triangle measurements there. Here by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, we get, what is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is nothing but AB square plus BC square will write, where AC is nothing but 2x plus 6 whole square is equal to 2x plus 4 whole square plus x square will write. When it is the sum of a plus b whole square, you have to expand in this one. 4x square plus 2 to 4, 4 6 24 into x. This is also 4x square plus 16, 2 to 4, 4 4 16x plus x square will write. 4x square and 4x square will be answer. Remain x square plus 16x minus 24x plus 16 minus 36 will be equal to 0. That is x square minus remaining is 8x minus 20 will become 0. We have to find their factors. 1 into minus 20 will become minus 20. Okay, this is when satisfies their multiplication. After will satisfy their addition. The given addition is nothing but minus 8. What is satisfies? The factors of 20 will become 1 into 20, 2 into 10. 1 into 20 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Nothing but satisfies minus 8. I will take 10 into 2. I will take minus 10 plus 2. Plus into minus is minus 10 to 20. Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Will write. That means x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 20 will become 0. Where x is common remaining is x minus 10 plus 2 is common remaining is x minus 10 is equal to 0. That is the term that means x minus 10 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, length cannot be negative. That means x does not is equal to minus 2. Then that implies x is equal to 10 meters. X is equal to 10 meters. X is equal to 10 meters. We'll observe. X is equal to 10 meters means we have to find out their side. First, I will find out shortest side. Shortest side. BC is nothing but x meters. Where x is 10 meters means that I will write 10 meters. After, we have to find out the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC is nothing but 2x plus 6. 2 into 10 plus 6 is nothing but 26 meters. After, we have to find out another side. Another side of a right angle triangle is nothing but AB is equal to 2x plus 4. 2 into 10 plus 4 is nothing but 24 meters. This is the respected side of a given right angle triangle. After now, I am going to next one. ABC is a right triangle, right triangle, right angle, right angle. Let C, let BC equal to small a, CA equal to small b, AB equal to small c, and let P will be the length of perpendicular from C on AB. Prove that H1 is PC is equal to AB. After that, second one is 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. First, I will draw a figure. This is the given figure A, B, C, right angle triangle at C, and also P is the length of perpendicular C on AB. That I will take a perpendicular line. This is the given perpendicular line. Named as D. The length of CN will be UP. And also BC is nothing but A. CA is nothing but B. Again, we will take AB is nothing but C is given. AB is nothing but C is given. This is the given problem. Now I am going to the solution. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB. And the distance between C and D will take P. First, I will write area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is nothing but half base into height will write. As the given base is AB, given height will take DC. That means where AB is nothing but C, DC is nothing but P. And I will write 1 by 2 PC will write. This is make equation number 1. Again will take area of triangle ABC. Here we will observe this is the base, this is the height. One more also we will take in this triangle. This is the base, this is the height we will take. And I will write area of triangle ABC is nothing but half. Where given base is BC, given height is nothing but AC will write. That means 1 by 2 into A into B will write. That means half AB. This is make equation number 2. From 1 is equal to 2, then that implies area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC. Then RHS is half PC is nothing but half AB. Half and half will be cancelled. PC is nothing but AB. But from 2, this is the condition 1. By Pythagoras theorem, what we have to write in this one means AB square is nothing but AC square plus BC square will write. That means the distance between A and B is small c. That I will write C square is equal to AC is nothing but B square. BC is nothing but A square. That means C square is equal to A square plus B square. From condition 1, we know PC is nothing but AB. That means C is nothing but AB by C will write. We have to substitute in this one. That means AB by will take P. AB by P whole square is nothing but A square plus B square. That means AB whole square by P square is nothing but A square plus B square. This value becomes this side. That I will write 1 by P square is nothing but A square plus B square by A square B square will write. Entire fraction we will divide A square by B square. That I will write A square by A square B square plus B square by A square, b square is nothing but 1 by b square, b square and b square, a square and a square will be cancelled, remaining 1 by b square plus 1 by a square is nothing but 1 by b square. But I have to write as 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is nothing but 1 by b square. This is the proof of given theorem.